The steps that we'll take to accomplish this training workshop will involve creating a friendly environment for the patient, have health providers wear a how can I help you badge so that they can seek information or help if they need it. Training sessions will be towards health literacy expectation. We'll also provide individual discussion to patients who may be shy or who are having hard time speaking in public. Take-home resources that are written in clear and simple language so that they can read to either their family members at home or for their reference when they get home, or future reference. Small groups of 5 to make sure the training is understandable and they can work together. They'll be required to have get a single page exercise to determine the patient comprehension. We encourage participation with the feedback and questions so that we can use the feedback for further evaluation of the training. Presenting at the end of the class will assure that the health providers have a concrete understanding of what the workshop is all about. The reference page involved almost all the materials that we have gone through since the beginning of class, which involves the textbook of health literacy from A to Z, a quick guide from health literacy, and health literacy prescription to end confusion. Thank you.